Hello friends, welcome to Power Learning channel once again. So today video's topic is diesel generator general maintenance schedule. So in this video I gonna show you all the points which is required for diesel generator maintenance. So we have at number 1 daily checks, and number 2 daily plus startup checks, and number 3 is first maintenance at 50 hours or at 6 months, and the number 4 is scheduled maintenance every 250 hours of operation, and the number 5th is scheduled maintenance every 1000 hours of operation. So in this all 5 points we will cover all the major points for maintenance required for the diesel generator. So number 1 is A check, daily routine checks. In daily routine we have to check the engine lube oil level before starting the engine and check the whole lubrication for any oil leakages. And the number 3rd is check whole cooling system for any coolant leakage and radiator water level, and check the coolant level in the radiator also. Check the fuel level in the diesel tank and check the whole fuel system for any fuel leakages. So and also perform a general cleaning on whole generator on daily basis. Check for any strange noise when the engine is running. So these are the daily checks, routine checks. You have to do it on daily basis. Now daily plus startup, we have to do the first list plus add this list with the startup checks. So it will cover our before starting all the points. So check the water heater blocks, okay, and check the antifreeze and water ratio in the radiator, okay. And number 4th is check the cleanliness of the radiator. Before starting we have to confirm the radiator is clean and it is okay for operation, and check the whole air system for any leakages like hose and clamps. We have to make retightening. And number 6 is check the whole exhaust system for any leakages, pipes, spiral, etc. And number 7 is check the color of exhaust smoke while the generator is running, okay. And number 8 is check the batteries and their charge levels. And number 9, check the battery charger and charging alternator while the generator is running. So this is our complete. And number 10, for this we have to add also check all the pressure, temperature sensor and gauges, okay, while the generator is running. So check the setting of AVR card and governor card. You have to check the voltage and the engine speed while the generator is running. So check the power cables, transfer panel and its connection before starting, and check the control panel and generator set controller unit while the generator is running and before running, and check the tension of belt while the engine is stop mode, and check the screws and bolts tightness used for assembling before starting, and check the vibration isolators. So these are the very important before startup and the new genset startup points. So now we will see first maintenance at 50 hours or 6 months. If you are using generator on daily basis, so you have to do this points, the first maintenance at 50 hours. If your generator is on standby mode, you have to do this at 6 months. So the first point is change engine lube oil, change engine oil filter and the fuel filter also, and drain the water inside from the water separator filters. And number 5, repeat daily and startup checks, which we already discussed before, okay. So now we will discuss about every 800 or 1000 hours of operation, okay. These steps you have to follow after every 800 or 1000 of operation as per your site condition. Some sites have very clean and some sites are very dirty as per their environmental condition. So we have to follow these points on every 1000 hours of operation. Check the cleanliness of the radiator and check the turbocharger physically, and check the injector nozzle like inspection, and check the settings of valve gaps. These are very important points. And check the vibration isolator condition, that these are okay or not okay. So and replace air filter primary and secondary element on every 800 or 1000 hours as per your, and check the radiator coolant level also, okay. So after that we have periodic yearly maintenance. Normally this will be done for standby sites, okay, but you have to do this also for your prime generator. Every year you have to check all these things in order to maintain your generator in good condition, so check the hose and clamps connection. These are very important. And check the whole air system for any leakages like hose and clamps. If they are loose, you have to tighten it. Okay, and be careful about this air system. If air system is loose, we have less efficiency of generators. Similarly, exhaust, check the whole exhaust system for any leakages. Okay, it will also affect our generator efficiency. Check the color of exhaust smoke when generator is running. If there is any different color, you have to check with your mechanical guys. Okay, and clean the fuel tank. Check the batteries and their charge levels, and clean the batteries and their poles, and check the battery charger and charging alternator, what is the charging voltage and how the charging alternator is work. And check and retighten the radiator fan and its blades also. This is very important. Sometimes it's get loose and it will damage the radiator. So number 10 is check the compression pressure if necessary. Okay, and number 11, check and clean all the oil pan breather hose. It's very important.